investing in sustainable equities for over 15 years. And what I can say is the last 2 years, we have seen the most phenomenal rate of change. We had long identified the need for governments, regulators and industries to converge. And what we have now is the most extraordinary opportunity to develop a more sustainable form of capitalism that recognizes both the planetary boundaries and the need for a more inclusive economic framework. And I think coronavirus did shatter the status quo and has given us an opportunity to consider value creation through the balance of three core stakeholders: the planet on which we all depend, the people with whom we all coexist, and the profit that we all require from our long-term savings. I think the biggest challenge is the need for us to focus on real-world outcomes. When we invest, we are looking to invest in the highest quality companies leading the transition to a more sustainable world. And we think it is imperative to offer the individual savers transparency and evidence on those real world outcomes and how their savings support transition to a more sustainable world. We do that through an annual impact report that supports the client in understanding how their savings are contributing. I think it is also important that we are forward-looking. Our focus is on the future and the path that we are on, not where we have been. And it is important for us to consider the opportunity for value creation through whether or not asset prices today reflect the externalities of environmental impact and social equity. Yes, it matters. The Conference of Parties in Glasgow offers a springboard for global policy action. Greenhouse gases, like viruses, care little for borders. And what the pandemic has enabled is a global collective response. We think as investors, we need to find a path to a 1.5 degree climate scenario that is so urgently required in order to address the trajectory of global warming that we are currently on. And we think aligning our clients to a 1.5 degree climate scenario that is supported by a net zero economy is an imperative from an investment returns perspective.